PUBG Mobile clan creation, how to create, join and leave clan in PUBG Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can create, join and leave the clan in PUBG Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create, join or leave a clan in PUBG Mobile, you have to access the clan menu. So first you want to just open up the PUBG Mobile game right here. Then from the bottom right hand side next to inventory button you can see the upper arrow icon. So from here, when you're on the upper arrow icon, you can go to the option called clan on the right hand side right here. Now when you go to the clan option, you can see a list of clans. So if you want, you can choose to create a clan yourself, then enter your clan's name, a motto or description and choose an emblem. To join a clan, you can simply open the game, and from here again you can just select one of the clans that you might want to join, and you can go ahead and choose to join that if you'd like. This way you can create, join or leave a clan in PUBG Mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.